Well, I want to show everybody my new car. This is my 2021 Kia Stinger GT all-wheel drive. I love this thing. It's really fast. It's got the V6 twin turbo. Mirrors fold in automatically if I don't unlock it. It's got nice 19-inch rims. There's the back with the dual exhaust tips. Let's start it and you can hear what it sounds like with a cold start. Well, before I do that, the only thing I've changed on it is I went with the different Kia logo, Flying K, from the one that they use in Korea, I guess. And what I've done so far is I've removed the resonators. That is it. Let's get a remote start on it. You get to hear what it sounds like. I think it sounds pretty good for only a resonator delete. I still plan on changing it up. It's got the nice Brembo brakes, front and back. Still not sure if I like these dark chrome accents that, on the mirror, on these flares, which do go all the way through to the other side, which is the same with the front ones. They'll go through. The only vents that are fake are those. Two things that I don't like about this car, which is only two, is that when you open the door after it's remote started, it shuts off. Interior is really nice. Sorry about the lighting. It's bright outside, getting a lot of glare. I changed the logo on the inside again. It does have heated seats on both sides, heated steering wheel. It does have a charging pad right there, and you have to use the cable to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. But what I don't like is this space barely is big enough to hold my cell phone. So if I have the plug in and I go to stick it in there, the plug sticks out about this far and the phone can't rest all the way in there. I did have another charging cord that would fit and let the phone sit in there, but then it's fighting against whether it's going to be charged with the cable or it's going to be charged with the pad. It does have a nice screen. It's not too bad. So it's got a nice setup. So far I got 7,872 miles put on it. I've owned the car since January of this year, so I've been enjoying it. It's got really nice, comfortable leather type seats with the GT logos on there. Back seats are nice, and another good thing I like about this is, even though it looks like a sedan, it's a hatchback. So, and it's got decent cargo space. Alright, well, this is my vehicle. I love it. Thanks for watching.